Hey,
Hello.
sorry to interrupt your listening. I just thought you were really cute.
Oh, thank you.
And I had to say hi.
Oh, hi.
But you have a boyfriend, don't you?
I do.
You gave me the look. I could sense with the hesitation, like, oh, thank you. And that's going well.
Yeah.
Damn, that's unfortunate. I mean, for me, for you, that's great.
What's your name?
Avery.
Avery, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if I see you again someday and
say
that's
hi.
changed.
Yeah.
Avery, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Hi. I know this is random, but I just saw you walking and I thought you were really cute.
Oh, thank you.
And I had to say hi.
Hi. Nice
Hi.
to meet you. I'm sorry, I'm super late for class right now.
Avery.
Yeah.
Well,
Avery?
yeah,
Yeah.
Avery. Would
Nice
you like
to
to get
meet
coffee
you.
sometime, maybe?
I have a boyfriend, unfortunately. I'm sorry.
Is that going well?
Yeah,
Damn.
it's been like 2 years.
Well,
Sorry.
all right.
Yes,
Well,
it's
just let him
okay.
know there's competition. All
I'm really
right, have a good one. Hi. Oh, sorry to interrupt. I just thought you were really cute.
Oh, thank you.
And I want to say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Avery.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Heading to class?
Yeah.
What class?
Mat Lab.
Mat Lab? Ooh, sounds fun.
It's awful. That's why I'm tired today. I'm sorry.
I agree. Is it soon?
Yeah.
Is it soon?
Soon.
Okay, well, I don't want to get in the way of your important journey to the hellish math class, but would you like to get coffee sometime?
I'm not really a huge coffee drinker, and my life's pretty much homework.
Okay, how about
But-
tea? You don't like tea either? Is it just
Water
my
and-
face you don't like? That's fine.
No, it's a water and I'm a water and cranberry juice girl.
You want to get water and cranberry juice? I can adjust. I'm open-minded. I'm a psychology major.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Senior. How about you?
I'm a freshman.
So we're opposites. I feel like they should come together, you know? Science and psychology is not really science.
No, it
Don't
is.
no don't
I
tell.
really like psychology.
I know, I think it's a fascinating subject, but their qualification for what counts as actual science,
Yeah,
very
actually,
low.
physics, when I tried to take it in high school, it didn't count as a science.
It shouldn't. Okay, so recently they did a study. They did a study where they found that over 50% of psychology studies are not replicable. So they did them again and they couldn't replicate the same results.
Because people are.
That's why I'm in it. I want to make it better, you know?
Yeah.
I want to make it higher standards for
really
what they
cool.
do. Yeah. Right?
Yes.
Here, let's exchange numbers. I don't want to make you late, unless you just use that as an excuse to skip.
No, I actually have class, but you're good.
What do you do outside of studying? You have no time for
I
anything?
have no time. Honestly, everything's due every day this week, and so I'm like, oh my gosh.
You don't party, you don't...
Nope. I don't look like it, but I'm pretty innocent.
Yeah, okay. You think you don't look innocent, which is interesting to me. You think you look non-innocent.
I don't know.
Interesting. Well, I guess
All right.
we'll find out.
Just shoot me a text.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You too. Thanks
Bye.
for coming up to me.
Hi. Sorry to interrupt. I just want to say I thought you were really cute. That's all. Okay, well, have a good one. Hi. Excuse me. Hi.
Hi, sorry.
No, I'm sorry for interrupting. I just thought you were really cute.
Oh, thanks.
And I want to say hi.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, you have amazing eyes.
Thank you.
Avery.
Nice
to meet you. Are you being converted to be Christian?
Someone handed this to me.
Oh, are you interested?
I'm not. I have class during those times.
What's the bread?
Jesus said to them, I'm the bread of the life. I guess.
I don't know, that doesn't really make the message go home for me,
I
a
don't
slice
know.
of bread.
Enjoy the bread of life, it says.
Oh no, I mean they're not the pro
I dropped
ones, it's
these.
okay.
Oh, no, I just
If you
got
break them, then
them.
you have to get the
The ones with.
upgrade.
No, I don't think I'd pay for those. They're so expensive.
It's $250 for headphones. It looks like you're about to study.
I have a test tomorrow.
Would you like to get coffee sometime?
Sure.
Sure. What are you doing? When are you free this week? Interesting shoes, by the way.
Interesting good or interesting
I don't know if I've
bad?
ever seen someone with Crocs during the day.
I wear them all the time.
Just interesting. I'll take that as a good, unless you
two
want to be
pairs.
boring. You have how many pairs?
Two.
Two. I thought you said 10. I was like,
Oh no.
oh, that's like crazy cat lady for shoes if you have 10.
They're awesome. Get a pair.
So when are you free this week?
Not Tuesday and not Thursday.
Okay, so maybe Friday?
Sure.
What do you study?
Accounting.
Okay. You
you
seem more
studying?
artsy to me, especially with the bright blue.
I'm a numbers girl.
Are they matching your eyes? Are
My
they
mom
meant
bought
to
them for me.
accentuate
She
your eyes?
Surprised me with them. There you are.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Have a good one.
See you later.